Welcome to our series showcasing the most powerful and innovative heavy equipment in action. Today we're diving into a lineup of industrial giants, each designed to tackle specific tasks with precision and efficiency. From firewood processing to land preparation, we'll explore the capabilities of these machines and witness firsthand how they revolutionize various industries. In the world of heavy equipment, the Cut MCS 40 stands out as a reliable workhorse. This industrial machine is designed for firewood processors. It automates the process of cutting logs into uniform pieces. Imagine a conveyor belt feeding logs into a powerful triple saw blade setup. The MCS 40 can be configured to cut logs into various lengths, from 10 inches to 20 inches. This is perfect for businesses that sell firewood by the cord. Plus, the machine boasts different versions. There's a trailer-mounted option for portability and a stationary model for high-volume operations. An interesting feature is the automatic log positioning system, ensuring each cut is precise and maximizing output. Joining our lineup on site today is the Mastenbrook 2015 drainage trencher. This machine specializes in digging trenches for subsurface drainage systems, like in agricultural fields. It's a compact and powerful option, designed to handle various soil conditions. Here's how it works. The 2015 uses a chain trencher attachment at the front to continuously cut a trench up to 6 feet deep. The trencher depth can be hydraulically adjusted to match project needs. As the machine moves forward, a spoil conveyor deposits the excavated soil on the side of the trench. This leaves a clean, precise channel for laying drainage pipes. The Masten Brock 2015's maneuverability and efficient design make it a valuable tool for land improvement projects that require effective drainage solutions. Let's take a look at the Mastenbrook 25/20 Vive plow with Trimble Autopilot. This is a high-tech setup designed for large-scale land preparation tasks like plowing fields. The plow itself is a heavyweight champion, featuring a variable width of up to 20 feet, allowing it to cover a significant amount of ground in each pass. But the real star here is the Trimble Autopilot system. This is a GPS-based auto-steering technology that keeps the plow precisely on track, even in expansive fields. Imagine the plow automatically adjusting its position for perfectly straight lines, maximizing efficiency and reducing human error. The combination of the powerful Mastenbrook plow and the high-precision Trimble Autopilot makes this a dream machine for large-scale agriculture. Ever spend ages backbreaking yourself picking rocks out of your fields? Well, meet the Stoneless Stone Rock Picker. This attachment is a game changer for farmers. Designed specifically for ATVs and UTVs, it lets you pick stones from the comfort of your seat. Here's the gist. The Stoneless uses a rotating arm with sharp teeth that digs up rocks and throws them into a collection bin. It can handle rocks from a couple of inches up to about 20 inches in diameter. That's a good chunk of rock to be clearing without bending over all day. This nifty tool can save farmers a lot of time and effort, making land clearing and preparation much more efficient. Plus, it can improve the health of your crops by eliminating rocks that can damage farm equipment. Joining our lineup on the water today is the Royal IHC Hi-Track. This innovative vehicle is specifically designed for the offshore wind industry, particularly for burying cables in shallow water zones. Traditional trenching machines struggle in these areas, but the Hi-Track tackles the challenge head-on. Here's what makes it special. The Hi-Track relies on a unique 4-track undercarriage system. These tracks allow it to maneuver precisely and maintain stability even on uneven surfaces like sloped seabeds or undulating sand waves. This is crucial for ensuring clean, consistent cable burial depths close to wind turbine installations. The Hi-Track is packed with power too, enabling it to cut through a variety of seabed conditions. And because it's self-propelled, it doesn't require a separate vessel for operation, making it a more streamlined solution. Up next, we have the Brook's Mobile Chipper 806 ST. This machine is a powerhouse for turning wood waste into valuable wood chips. It's a self-contained mobile unit, meaning it has its own engine and doesn't need a separate truck to tow it. The 806 ST can handle some serious chomping. It can chip entire trees and logs up to 20 inches in diameter, perfect for clearing land or processing leftover timber. Here's how it works. Logs are fed into a large hopper, and then a powerful hydraulic system pushes them into a rotating drum with sharp blades. These blades chip the wood into consistent pieces, ideal for uses like biofuel production, animal bedding, or landscaping mulch. The 806 ST is built for durability and features easy access to the blades for maintenance. Let's take a look at the Dipa Fox SC600. This specialized machine tackles a tough task, grinding up stumps in tight urban areas. Unlike bulky excavators, the SC600 is designed for maneuverability. It's a compact unit on tracks that can easily navigate through backyards or between buildings. The secret weapon? A rotating disc with carbide teeth that shreds stumps into small chips. The beauty is that the blades spin at a relatively slow speed, making the SC600 much quieter than traditional stump grinders. Plus, it's powerful enough to reach depths of up to 27.5 inches, ensuring complete stump removal. Now let's shift our focus to the Homer Tree Service walking chipper. Unlike the powerful Brooks we saw earlier, this chipper is built for maneuverability and tackling smaller jobs. Imagine a miniaturized version of a regular chipper, but instead of wheels, it walks. That's right, the walking chipper is a self-propelled unit on a tracked base. This allows it to easily navigate uneven terrain or reach tight spaces between buildings where larger equipment might struggle. It's perfect for jobs like clearing brush after tree trimming or handling branches from smaller trees. Even though it's compact, the Homer Tree Service walking chipper packs a punch. It can handle branches up to around 3-4 inches in diameter, which is plenty for most residential tree care needs. This little guy is a resourceful addition to any tree service company's toolbox. Joining our busy lumberyard crew today is the Senebalgan 830 timber handling machine. This workhorse is specifically designed for tough tasks like loading, unloading, and sorting timber. It's a mobile unit on a trailer chassis, so it can be easily towed between work sites. The 830 boasts a powerful arm that can reach up to 40 feet high and extend over 35 feet horizontally. This allows for precise stacking of logs or grabbing them from even a messy pile. Plus, it can handle hefty loads up to 80 tons. That's enough muscle to pick up even the biggest logs with ease. An interesting feature is the operator's cab. It can hydraulically elevate over 18 feet, giving the operator a bird's-eye view of the entire work area. This improves safety and ensures they can maneuver the logs with maximum precision. On the docks today, we have the Cone Crane's barge handler, also sometimes called a reach stacker. This is a powerhouse specifically designed for loading and unloading cargo from barges. Imagine a giant forklift on steroids. The barge handler has a super strong telescoping arm that can reach out over 60 feet and lift up to 46 tons. That's enough muscle to handle massive cargo containers or hefty steel beams with ease. Here's a cool feature. Some Cone Crane's barge handlers have special support jacks. These extend outwards, providing additional stability when lifting those super heavy loads. Another advantage? These are self-powered machines, so they don't need a separate truck to tow them around the dock. Buckle up, because we're about to meet the behemoth of telehandlers, the MANAT MHTX 14350. This monster machine isn't for your average construction site. It's a champion in heavy-duty material handling designed to tackle jobs that require exceptional power and reach. Imagine a forklift on steroids that weighs a staggering 150,000 pounds. That's the MHTX 14350. It can lift a mind-blowing 77,000 pounds, which is roughly the weight of 5 battle tanks. And that's not all. This beast can extend its telescopic arm up to 45 feet, allowing it to reach incredible heights for placing beams, wind turbine components, or other oversized cargo. The MHTX 14350 is built for tough terrain too, thanks to its massive all-wheel drive tires. They provide superior traction and stability, making it a reliable option even on uneven or muddy ground conditions. Up next on our worksite crew is the Mastenbrook TM80 Soil Mixing Trencher. This specialized machine tackles jobs like stabilizing weak soil or creating waterproof barriers underground. Imagine a powerful trencher with a special mixing arm attachment. As the TM80 excavates a trench up to 24 feet deep, the mixing arm injects a stabilizing material like cement or grout into the surrounding soil. This creates a stronger, more stable base for construction projects on weak or loose ground. The TM80's mixing depth can be precisely controlled to match project specifications. An interesting fact? This machine can also be used to create cut-off walls, which are essentially underground barriers that prevent water flow. Let's take a look at the WestTech Woodcracker W1000. This is a powerful hydraulic tool designed to make firewood processing a breeze. Imagine a giant metal claw on a tractor attachment. You feed logs up to 40 inches in diameter into the opening, and the W1000 uses impressive hydraulic force to split them into manageable pieces. One of the key features is the W1000's endless rotating rotator. This allows for ultimate control over log positioning, regardless of their shape or odd angles. An automatic speed function also helps maximize splitting efficiency. The W1000 is built for durability with high-strength Hardox steel construction. It also minimizes friction with a roller system, reducing the overall force required for splitting. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of heavy equipment and the incredible machines shaping industries worldwide. From firewood processors to trenchers and telehandlers, each of these machines plays a vital role in driving progress and efficiency. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of heavy equipment in action, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching.